I'm Chef Rebecca Stewart. Come with me on this journey through French cuisine. I have always loved to cook, and I was actually able to attend the famous cooking school Le Cordon Bleu in Paris. And there I learned from amazing chefs who taught me recipes and skills and techniques that I would love to share with you at American Heritage. In this course, we will learn why French cuisine is so renowned. We will learn the importance of properly plating your dish. We will learn skills such as sautéing, brunoise, julienne, how to make a jus. And we will learn these techniques through exploring recipes such as the French crepe, baguettes, omelets. Come with me on this journey, and you too can make delicious, wonderful recipes for those around you.